Becoming a Fiverr affiliate opens you up to a lot of different revenue earning opportunities. One of those is by recruiting other affiliates. Others are from getting people to purchase services on Fiverr. As you might know, Fiverr is the largest marketplace for freelance services. I've actually been selling services on Fiverr for over 10 years and has grown a lot since that time. So you can join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, and start earning money. You can cash out as small as $100 earned per month. But in this video, we're just going to show you how to sign up as a Fiverr affiliate. You can click the link in the description below if you want to use our affiliate link, which we would obviously appreciate that. Otherwise, you can go to affiliates.fiverr, Fiverr.com to get to this page. You'll then click on Join Now. And on this page, you're going to go ahead and put in the information that you want associated with your account. For account type, you can put private or company if you want it associated with your company, or if you're an individual or sole proprietor, you can do private. I'm then going to fill out this information and then click on Next, where we'll have to put some additional information as far as what you plan to promote, what kind of things you're interested in promoting within the Fiverr Affiliates program. Once you submit the information from the first page, you will get here where it says tell us a little bit about yourself, and this is where you have to select at least one way that you plan to promote Fiverr services. So I mainly do it through YouTube, so that's what I'm going to click. I already have created an account, but I'm doing this page again to show you how to sign up to be a Fiverr affiliate. But you can click which ones are relevant to you. It will help them understand what services you plan on using. You can then tell Fiverr about the interest of your audience. So if you already have an audience on YouTube or a website, what do you think they're going to be interested in learning about? Business? Is it going to be about writing? What kind of services do you expect them to buy on Fiverr? You then can look at the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you're ready and you've read those, go ahead and click that and click Register Now. After you complete registration, you can then log in and go to your dashboard, which is going to look like this. You can look at your marketing tools and your commission plan. This will show the different amounts of money and percentages you can earn for promoting the 6 different types of offers that Fiverr will offer you. You can also promote to sub-affiliates, which technically is what I'm doing in this video. I'm telling you if you want to sign up as an affiliate, you can do that. So you click on affiliate links, and this is where you would copy that link to get other people to become affiliates for Fiverr. But those are the basics on how to create a Fiverr affiliate account. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section below. We'd also love to have you as a subscriber to the How to Livable channel. Thank you.